Everyone, in this video, I'm going to cover one of the topic what a lot of parents keep asking me is, my child has finished 11 plus entrance. How should I prepare my child for SATs? I would say that your child has done a lot of preparation for SATs. SATs normally cover maths and English. What your child has done? In maths, you have arithmetic maths, normal maths, and in English, you have comprehension, punctuations, and grammar, and also spellings. SATs is basically done to compare the results of the primary schools in the bureau. And if your child is not going to a grammar school, some school takes SATs results to give the level your child would be working in the secondary school. So it's nothing to do with how your child will do. So you don't have to worry about, leave everything to the school because the school will do their level best to get their school ranking